Hey cryptocurrency market, it's Denny Lovejoy, the blockchain tutorial Jedi Master, and I'm broadcasting from my home in Corona, California, which is located on the west side of the United States. And in this video, I'll be sharing with you a quick update on what I've been doing, along with sharing with you the lessons I've learned while working with the Decred project. To give you more context, so far I've completed 70 blockchain tutorials on the top 50 cryptocurrency projects that have wallet software. With this working portfolio, I've been able to approach projects like Decred and offer them the service of blockchain tutorials. And that's exactly what I've been doing. I reached out to Decred and I found out that they have a voting platform called Politia. On Politia, I learned that I could sign up for free. I ended up submitting a proposal. That proposal ended up getting accepted by the community, and now I'm in the middle of executing that proposal to get funded in Decred. And since I've been going through this process, I've learned 3 major lessons that I want to share with you. The first one being that the Politia system actually works. The second thing is that I should have asked for more money. And then the third thing being I should have done this a year ago. Now, I'm going to give you more detail on exactly what I mean. As far as the Decred Politia system working, I found out that their governance-based platform, as far as making decisions go, works. And the way they do it is through Politia. On Politia, anyone can submit a proposal, anyone can submit their ideas, and the community will support it or reject it. And fortunately, my proposal ended up getting accepted. It got accepted with over 9,000 votes collectively, and I got an 80% yes rate, meaning that the community actually wants to see me perform this proposal, which is great. So I learned that it works, and secondly, I'm also one of the first few people to actually get an accepted proposal on Politia. At the moment, there's around 25 total proposals, and about 11 of them are accepted, and the rest are either abandoned or rejected. So I'm pretty much in the top 10 people as far as actually submitting a proposal and getting it accepted. So I'm one of the first to actually do that, and that's cool to know, and it's cool to be helpful to others who will eventually go through the same process as I am doing. Secondly, I should have asked for more money. So the mistake was when I was submitting my proposal and getting feedback, I would use their feedback to update my proposal. And some of the updates were related to the price and what I should do. And I ended up lowering my price when I shouldn't have, and I ended up signing up to do more work than I expected. So at the end of it, I ended up selling myself short, which is a big lesson to know moving forward so that I don't repeat the same mistake on future proposals. So the main thing is to not sell myself short and to be firm on key things that I want to be the same, such as the price and what I want to do, and at the same time be flexible on the terms and conditions, and not adjust to everything, but to only some things, if it makes sense. And the third thing here that I want to share with you, the third lesson is I should have done this a year ago, meaning I really shouldn't have goofed around last year and I shouldn't have gotten distracted the way I got distracted last year. I got distracted with other people, other business opportunities, when I really should have just stayed focused on what I was doing already on the cryptocurrency market channel, which is these blockchain tutorials. So that's the main thing. I shouldn't have goofed around last year, and I really should have taken massive and immediate action. And the second thing I wanted to share with you is that I had the same capabilities that I have now last year. I had the same producing capabilities, recording, editing, publishing capabilities that I do now for the tutorials last year, meaning nothing changed. I have all the same skill sets that I have now last year as well. There was no reason for me to wait months or another year to get to the point where I'm at now. You know, and a lot of that is based off the mistakes I made, which was mostly getting distracted with other ideas. So that's the main thing I learned there as far as what I should have done, last year. I should have, executed on the 70 tutorials much sooner, and I should have worked with Decred as a client much sooner. And I really could have if I didn't get distracted. So those are the three things that I wanted to share with you, that Politeia actually works. And I'll be experimenting with other governance-based platforms and to see how their voting system works. So stay tuned for that. And I learned that I should have asked for more money and that I should have done this a year ago. So that concludes this video. I hope you got some value out of it. And if you're interested in doing your own proposals, I highly recommend that you start with the Politeia system through Decred. So thanks for watching. I appreciate your time and attention. If you have any suggestions for future videos, leave me a comment below. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, you could find me at Denni Lovejoy. Check out the description below for that. And if you also want to learn more about crypto investing, you could check out the cryptocurrency investing blueprint, which our team created. You can learn more at cryptocurrency.market/blueprint, and you could get 10% off using my promo code Denni2019, and check out the links below for that as well. Again, I appreciate your time and attention, and have a terrific day. I'll see you on the next blockchain tutorial.